How to turn on professional mode on Facebook profile. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on a step-by-step process on how you can easily turn on professional mode on your profile. So first, you will just have to open your Facebook app and make sure your app is up to date. Go ahead on your Play Store and check if your app is updated or not. And once it is updated, you can just come back on your app, then tap on your profile, open your profile, and once you do that, just tap on these three dots. So what this will do is if you turn on professional mode, it will increase your engagements and you will have a chance to promote your product or service. So it is really helpful to boost your account. Now, the first thing you want to do is after you are inside your profile settings, just tap on turn on professional mode right here and tap on turn on. So you can read out all of these stuff, what benefits you get. So let's quickly cover the basics. You have to define your audience, learn about the monetization tools, explore professional tools, and celebrate. Just tap on next and you can read all of these stuffs. Choose your default audience. So public is suggested because your account should be public and many people will be able to view it. Tap on next and confirm all of these settings. And then you can just go to monetization tool and tap on next. Keep tapping on next. And finally on your profile frame, you can add these kind of stuff to uh, know that your account is now professional. But you can skip this step if you want or continue with it. And you can go to professional dashboard. So now your account has been turned into a professional mode. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on notification bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.